Hi everyone, today I will be sharing with you guys how you can create these easy peasy Easter nails which are speckled Easter eggs inspired. So without any further delay, let's get started. First polish that I have used is from Bella Voste called Beach Babe. Then I have used Miss Nails Lemon Squeezy, and after that I have used Miss Nails Blue Curacao, and the fourth one that I have used is from Nika called as Pink Malibu. I used these as my base, and then I took my black polish from L18 and I took some of that polish into the palette, and then I took my fan brush and dipped it into the polish. You just have to touch the bristles of your fan brush very gently into the polish, and that's it. Make sure the base that you have already put on your nail is completely dry, and then start giving random strokes onto your nails, and you just go wherever you like, however you like, and do some really random strokes, small, big, doesn't matter, and that's it. Now once you're satisfied with the design that you have made, let it dry completely and then we'll move on to the cleanup. Now if you think you have gone overboard with the strokes, you can tone it down using the same base color that you have already used on that nail. You can conceal those areas using the same base polish. And I have done the same with my pink and blue nails, did you know? Now let's move on to the cleanup part. I took a small flat brush and with the help of some nail polish remover, I'm cleaning up the edges and the cuticles around my nails. If you don't have any flat brush with you, don't worry, go ahead and use some cotton swabs or Q-tips, whatever is available to you. You can go ahead and use that and do the cleanup. Do the cleanup very carefully. You can also wipe away the nail art design that you have made. So be a little careful. And next I'm gonna apply some top coat. You can use any top coat that you have. Today I'll be using this matte top coat from Born Pretty store. Apply a little bit of it and let it dry. So that was the easy peasy nail art design that I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you really did, just give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also press the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye.